Hi, this is another lecture of CSS. Okay, this lecture is also linked with previous lecture. Okay, previous lecture is what? Lecture number 6. Okay, this is the 7th lecture of CSS, but you must see before this lecture, you must see previous lectures. Previous lecture is what? Lecture number 5 and lecture number 6, and this lecture number is 7, and these three lectures are linked and related to same topic. Okay, this is a long topic, but I want to build your basic concept of CSS, so then you can build advanced websites of CSS. You must do first of all, before that you can develop any advanced level website, you must see these lectures, then your concept is cleared. Then first of all, when I'll repeat that video, okay, in this video your some concepts may be not cleared, then I'll again repeat some concepts of that video. Okay, first, in previous lecture there is an error like linear dash gradient. How to do this? You must type here dash function. That is a what? That is a CSS requirement of the language. Okay, you must type here dash function. Okay, let's do it into practical. How to do this? Okay, for example, I want to open this slide. Okay, I have done already all of this. Just you see here. Okay, our topic is class, and I have done this. Only some errors are here, like background dash image, linear dash image. Only here is one error, so they will not affect onto the website. Now what is trying to do, so I'll clear the concept of you here like this. Okay, only you must type one dash here, otherwise it will end error if you're not typing here like this. There is not to do any function. Before this you must type here dash function, linear dash gradient. It's okay, that's good. But okay, I'll do it again. Okay, you must see here like this function. Okay, this lecture is this, like class.html, and these all the structure of this. Okay, marquee slash marquee, and we will already done this, and here I'll to create a class in CSS, and div is of container, and link two files. First file is what? class1.css, and this file. Okay, and other file is what? class 2, and class 2 linked with this file class 1 using at import function. And what is the import? You will see you will to see previous lectures. Okay, at import, just I call this, and these three files linked, and this is the index.html like class.html, and I'll just call only one file here, and other one linked this file class 2 calling here. Okay, now this step I'll do again. Okay, you must clear this concept. What is this? How to do? Just I'll delete this. First you must note that class is always calling dot function. Okay, the class name is what? CSS1. Okay, no problem. You can you can change the name, for example CSS1, or maybe give another name. Okay, like I want to give here test 1, no problem, test 1, that is the class name. Okay, now what's to do here? Like here you must call this function dot test 1. Okay, now type here braces functions, that is what, for example I want to give any color is what, like red. Okay, no, first I want to save this, and no, I want to type here like this class, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, now see here, and like I'll open onto a website, and here is a color is red. Okay, color is good. Now I want to apply here like a background image, and that is called gradient function. We will already discuss in previous lecture. And background, okay, background image, press enter, and here you must insert a function like this, linear gradient. Okay, dash, here you must type dash, otherwise it give an error and not to apply onto a website. You must note this. To left, it's okay. Now okay, now all function is done. Now I'll to do this like here. Okay, position is what? To left. Then you must start like here, hexadecimal numbers for color coding. Okay, you must start with hash. okay, you must start with hash. Like here, this is also a color coding. Okay, if you want to write here like give any other color, the color name is bitter. Okay, but here I'll to do this or start with color coding. Okay, color coding, you can see, you can also see um, other softwares like Adobe Photoshop. Okay, just I want to like change this, and you can also type like in this way. First you must make a color, any color like this. Okay, then just copy this code. Okay, Control C and paste here. Comma. Okay, this is one color. You can also paste another color here like okay, and copy this code and paste here. Start with hash and paste. Okay, and here is semicolon is important. That is the end of the statement. Press Ctrl S to save it. And position, you must provide call here position static, save it, see on a website. You will see the effect. It is a CSS class, and there is one color and there is another color, and to left from right. Okay, this is color coding of the CSS, and how to use into web designing and practical basic to advanced level. And here, as you see, you can use, and you can also use opacity, okay, darkness and brightness to increase and decrease using opacity. This is the lecture as you do this. And here is fourth one is this. You can also use hue and saturation lightness, HSL. It increases or decreases brightness and darkness. Okay, you can also use this increases and decreases of brightness or darkness. For example, here I want to show you something like into practical how to use this here. Okay, like I'll take an image. Okay, here I want to take an image. Okay, for example, I want to take an image in like this one. Okay, I want to apply event saturation. Okay, like here, this function is event saturation. How to apply this? Like I want to apply, you see here, color is changed, brightness, and for example I want to apply just red. Again, red color is changed. It is also affected on the different color schemes, and this is a lightness and darkness, HSL. This is called event saturation. If you want to completely erase this, as you see here, colorize. This is the function of event saturation. You will to see here onto the file of Photoshop. But it's that's good. You just make a color first here, like C, and okay, then you can apply onto a website. You can also see online website color schemes, and also to make any color and other software and see that code and apply. You can apply, no problem. Okay, it's you make a color scheme code and apply that, like here. 4 topics: RGB, CMYK, RGBA, alpha is what, HSL, and you must note hexadecimal values and how to use that into website with color coding. You must start with ash. Any color coding start with ash. It's also important. Okay, you have noted that 0 is the first priority of in color coding. For example, here 0 0 0 and F, this is blue color, as you noted here. And this is opacity. Okay, and opacity is like darkness and brightness increases and decreases. Okay, this is lightness. This is also you can use on a percentage. Okay, see all the coding and topic. If any problem about this, and you must see 3 lectures, then you will complete understand CSS color coding. Okay, lecture number that is what, lecture number 5, 6, and this is lecture number 7. Then you will completely understand what is color coding in CSS. If any problem, then comments me below. Okay, I'll revert back as soon as possible. Thanks.